Hello, everybody. Hi, camera. I am Sarah Kakkad, a member of Yuva, and I'm here to have a podcast with you both about friendship. So, you are Hia Luthra, and you are Harshit
Chandel.
Chandel. No, what's your full name?
Harshit Singh Chandel.
That's it? You
That's
said
it.
it was really long.
It is long.
Okay. So, what is a memory that you have with your first friend? Like, what is the first memory of friendship that you have?
Okay, so my first ever friend was when I was in play school, and she was a friend till fifth standard, and our mothers were also friends.
I love those type of friendships where you're like sort of cousins, but you don't really know how to explain it to people कि हमारी मम्मियाँ best friend है तो भी हम अच्छे
हाँ
friends हैं.
एग्जैक्ट तो हमारी आई गेस मम्मास बाद में फ्रेंड्स बनी थी हम लोग सेम प्ले स्कूल में थे सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट फ्रेंड आई एवर हैड एंड वो काफी लॉन्ग टर्म चला था बट देन वो शिफ्ट हो गई तो
कहाँ शिफ्ट हो गई?
लाइक वैसे में बट समवेयर एल्स
Okay.
पहले घर के पास ही
हाँ,
रहती थी
जब I swear I have these two friends who live right beside me and I have the best bond with them and I have had the best bond with them since I was born. Like मेरे को याद है कि वो एक लड़का तो मेरा friend ऐसे बचपन से था और एक फर्स्ट पे बनी थी and we are friends to this day.
I have a friend जो मैं सेकंड क्लास में मिलती शी इज इन फोर्थ शी वाज इन फोर्थ
हाँ.
एंड वो अभी तक फ्रेंड है मेरी वी बीन लाइक फ्रेंड्स फॉर 13 इयर्स नाउ लाइक द बेस्टेस्ट फ्रेंड एवर
हाँ.
एंड वो लेजिट मेरे घर से 2 घर दूर रहती है लाइक लेजिट 2 हाउसेस अवे
मेरा वो फ्रेंड जो मेरे घर के साइड में एकदम छत टापते थे मुझे अच्छे से याद है बचपन में हमारी छत सेम लेवल की थी एंड वी यूज्ड टू हैव मैगी इन लिटिल प्लेट्स व्हेन वी वर स्मॉल एंड आवर siblings were also friends and I really do love those kind of friendships जो ऐसे आपके घर के पास होती हैं अब वो कुछ बोलना नहीं होता बस ये बोलना है ओए नीचे आ जा चल घर के पास वाली मार्केट में जाकर मोमोज खा के आते हैं
रोज का है मेरा
क्या बोल रहा है? वेज मोमोज आर बेस्ट। अबे चिकन मोमोज आर बेस्ट वेगन के 14। तू खाता होगा मोमोज को मीठी चटनी लगा के, हम मेयोनीज की बाल्टी से खाते हैं।
जेन्युइनली रोज का यार जैसे अधूरा लगता है दिन जब तक वो नहीं हो पाता
मैं कल ही नाइट से घर मैं वहीं से आ रही हूँ
क्या अनहेल्दी तेरे राम के छोले भटूरे ऑलिव ऑयल में बनते हैं।
आपके कोई ऐसे फ्रेंड नहीं है बचपन से?
Honestly, I've always had like a lot of friends. तो मेरा कोई specific ऐसा कोई दोस्त नहीं है. But I've been friends with this guy since first grade. क्योंकि मैं start to finish एक ही स्कूल में था. Like play group से लेकर 12th class तक.
हाँ.
Like 10th class तक I was in the same school. और उसमें मेरा भाई भी पढ़ा था तो everybody already knew me there. तो उसमें like I had like a lot of friends and I still am friends with them. With like at least 2 people, one from first grade and one from 6th grade.
Wow.
But recently I've left them and I've come to Delhi, so I don't go out as much.
Okay.
And but making new friends is honestly never been an issue.
Making new friends I feel like is nice when you are in this atmosphere you have to meet people every single day. Like ऐसे कॉलेज में आपके दोस्त बनाना बहुत आसान कि आपके साथ रोज लोग उठ रहे हैं बैठ रहे हैं आप उनके साथ फ्रेंड्स हो. I'm from eco honors. I have a lot of friends in eco. But making friends outside of that eco honors का group is I think difficult, especially when you are in this day and age when you are older than maybe say 15, 16 and you have that consciousness कि हाँ मुझे इसको friend बनाना है और इसको नहीं बनाना. क्योंकि जब हम छोटे होते हैं मुझे अच्छे से याद है I used to just go up to people like girls who I liked, girls who I thought were pretty or anything. I just be like, hi, आप मेरे friend बनोगे? And that was such a simple way to make a friend. अब you have to be like, okay, now I'll send them this reel. Now I'll talk to them here. शाबाश ने मेरे लिए कर अभी मेरा friend है. I think we evaluate it too much.
I think friendships or relationships as a whole, में there's a lot of unsaid steps,
Yeah.
and unsaid rules that you have to follow जो पहले नहीं होते थे और simply तुम पहले बहुत छोटे थे इन
यार
सबको
मैं तो
जानने के लिए.
ट्रिपल क्वाड्रुपल 16 टाइम्स भी टेक्स्ट कर देती हूँ मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
नहीं वो अपना अपना होता है ना.
आपको फर्क पड़ता है मतलब?
Not really.
मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि जमाना क्या कहता है.
अगर फ्रेंडशिप है तो there should be no formalities.
हाँ.
अगर तुम किसी से बात कर रहे हो then you consider them as a friend. So you consider them as a friend because they understand you and they understand how you talk.
Yeah.
So there's no judgments there. अगर तुम 10 बार टेक्स्ट करोगे तो there's no being desperate.
फ्रेंडशिप में सॉरी थैंक यू नहीं होता. फ्रेंडशिप में फॉर्मेलिटी
हाँ वो ज्यादा फॉर्मेलिटीज आ गई आजकल फ्रेंडशिप्स में. जैसे कॉलेज की बात ही हो तो अपने कोर्स के फ्रेंड्स बनाना you get to know them through क्लासेस हो गई, प्रोजेक्ट्स हो गए, असाइनमेंट्स हो गई. बट अपने कोर्स से बाहर बनाने के लिए you really have to put yourself out there.
You do. Societies are a good way to make friends like that, but उसमें भी फिर I feel हो जाता है कि आपके एक दो फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, आपको कंफर्ट जोन होता है, उसके बाहर निकलना is a little tough.
हाँ.
Like I don't have a lot of friends in societies. I have Anjan in Yuva and I have a few people in placements who are from eco honors only. But apart from that, मतलब थोड़ा सा मुश्किल ही होता है, especially when you come to a place like DU. You go to private colleges there is not much diversity. Everybody is in a certain financial bracket. Everybody is a certain way. Okay, they have that air around them. बट यहाँ पर एवरीबडी इज डिफरेंट एंड मेरे को तो बड़ा शौक लगा था डी आके क्योंकि मैं वैसे स्कूल से थी जहाँ पे ऐसे डाइवर्सिटी नहीं होती थी, प्राइवेट कॉलेज टाइप स्कूल. और यहाँ पे आके मैं अपने पापा को मैसेज करी, पापा यहाँ तो मैंने तो ऐसे कभी लोग ही नहीं देखे हैं, यहाँ पे ये है, यहाँ पे वो है, and my dad was like, this is your life, you have to live it now. I think I have made few friends who are from different cultures, different backgrounds than
It's
me.
actually really great if you have people from different backgrounds because मेरे लिए friends बनाना has always been difficult because I don't like talking to people at all. I'm like मैं खुद में खुश हूँ. मैं legit जब first day of college I still remember
So a low
very
maintenance
evidently.
friend.
हाँ मैं आई थी and I was like मैं सब लेकर आई थी मेरा sketchbook मेरे earpods. I was like मैं सब लेकर जाऊंगी because मेरे को lonely feel होगा वहाँ पे. But then very fortunately 2-3 people came to me and they're still friends with me in college, very great people. And वो सब इतने different cultures से है ना, मुझे ऐसे पता चलता है oh shit भाई, being a Delhi person यहाँ culture ही नहीं
ये
है.
भी होता है, ये भी तुम्हारे घर पे ये
हाँ
होता है.
exactly. अब वो घर से आए इतना सब कुछ लेकर आए, हम लोग ये क्या होता है, ये क्या खाने की चीज है भाई.
Even just the little things that they call, like I say pronti,
हाँ
पराठे को.
exactly.
Somebody says paratha, somebody says paramtha. हम like ये कैसे बोले थे तुम्हें? मेरे को तो बड़ा शॉक लगता था स्टार्टिंग में.
मैं
इस
तो हिंदी
चीज़ का.
करेक्ट करती रह जाती हूँ.
हाँ, नहीं ये नहीं होता, ये होता. Even with people who are not from Delhi, just like a little outside the border, the language varies so
Very.
much. Also, one question I have is, everybody has a best, even if you don't have multiple best friends, कुछ एक जना होता है who is your closest friend. How did you meet your closest friend?
How did I meet my closest friends
Who
of
is
all
your
time?
closest friend?
It's from my old school, Akshit and Krish and Sahil. I would
Okay.
consider like my top three
Top
friends.
friends, yeah.
Yeah,
Top
there's
Gs.
like, top G's basically. I would go to them if anything happened or if I want to tell them anything because just you said previously कि there's a lot of cultures mixing in Delhi and especially in DU. So I am the one who's bringing in the culture personally.
Yeah.
Because
Where are you from in Himachal?
I'm from Mandi. It's like between Manali and Chandigarh.
Okay,
It's
okay,
like a
okay.
spot. So what I found different when I came to Delhi was that there's a lot of things that people in Delhi like do not do or
Were you stereotyped perhaps?
yeah, very stereotype because I've been in a place where सारे एक जैसे होते हैं. Everybody follows
हाँ,
that culture.
same.
And Delhi is very diverse. So even if you're from Delhi, you experience multiple culture. People from Rajasthan, Haryana, Bihar, UP. You
You
talk.
do experience a lot of that in college because school में मेरे को फिर भी कम दिखा था.
Yeah, but still, even if you don't interact with them, you see those people on the daily.
We do,
अच्छा
we
है
do.
like बाहर ही जाओ. मेरे वहाँ पे तो there's like 70% people. उनका तो same surname होगा, same उनके आपस में भाई वगैरह होंगे वो लोग.
Shout out to Zomato. Please come to our college. Please. Placement cell. Please बुला लो.
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का? भीख तो हाथ जोड़ के मांगते, आप लोग तो दादागिरी कर रहे हैं.
I was just saying कि वहाँ पे सारा demographic of लोग is like the same.
Yeah.
यहाँ की you meet a lot of people, you discover everything new, and honestly it's a big culture shock. जैसे तुमने कहा था कि
मेरे को तो बहुत बड़ा शॉक लगा था.
even just like not even talking financially, उसमें तो DU में there is a lot of disparity.
Not
ऐसे
financially. Just as a shock also about how people talk, how their tones differ, how their
Exactly.
languages differ.
अब मुझे लोग बोलते थे कि तेरी आवाज में पहाड़ी टन जाता है और अब बोलते हैं वो चला गया है तो I personally never heard it,
मेरे
never
को-
felt it.
मैं यहाँ पे आई. I had been to Guru Gobind Singh and I had been to Vips before, changed colleges. So अब मैं यहाँ पे third college in 1 month. So here I came and I had not even said a word and somebody said, "Oh, you look Punjabi. Oh, you look like you are a sick person." I said, "How do I look like that? I've never gotten that before." But जैसे बाकी लोग तो notice करते हैं. हम उसी सोसाइटी में रहते हैं जहाँ मेरे आसपास ऐसे लोग हैं तो मैंने नहीं notice करा. आपका closest friend कौन है?
मेरा closest friend would be the person that जैसे मैं कल नाइट से करके आई हूँ. She lives 2 houses away from me. Her name is Yashika. And the second person that I trust with my life is a friend from school, Nupur.
Shout out Nupur.
Yes, shout out to Nupur. We met when we were in 5th standard and in dance actually.
Wow, that
We
is
both
great.
dance, so we met in the dance room itself. We were in a competition, same competition. And उसके बाद 6th में हम same class में थे. तो from 6th standard to till now, she's been like.
I have quite a similar story. I also have 2 best friends. मेरे जान material लोग हैं मेरे ऐसे तो वो I met one of them. She lives 2 houses away from me. Same. ठीक है, and we've been friends since first grade. Where I remember her and I were playing in the park, and to this day we've never had a fight. And it's so weird कि मेरे को पता है जहाँ पे प्यार होता है वहाँ लड़ाई होती है, but हमारी लड़ाई ही नहीं होती somehow. And the second person, I became friends with her in school. Her name is Alisha, and we became friends over an English PPT. हमें 8th क्लास में ऑनलाइन में इंग्लिश की पीपीटी बनानी थी, उस चीज पे फ्रेंड्स बने थे, एंड वी एलियनेटेड द एंटायर अदर ग्रुप पीपीटी बनाने के लिए उनके साथ आते थे. फिर बाद में अलग कॉल पे बैठ के ओ हाँ तूने ये सीरीज देखी, एंड देन वी बिंज वॉच द एंटायरिटी ऑफ वैम्पायर डायरीज अगेन टुगेदर एंड एवरी अदर शोज So
I had a similar story. I had another friend in 11th standard. I met maths books से बनी थी because मेरे पास book नहीं थी. So I went and sat next to him. I was like, book share करनी है. And उसके बाद से we're like so good.
We're tight.
हाँ, we're very tight.
okay, what was your first impression of maybe your college best friend or something? कि college में आके तुम्हें कोई अच्छा इंसान मिला होगा कि हाँ इसको दोस्त बना ले. उसका first impression, because I feel like a lot of our viewers might be in college. They like this.
वो बात देख, I'm not gonna name drop anyone because college
वो
लोग तो
देख
उसको
रहे
देखेंगे
होंगे.
ही, वो देख रहे होंगे, तो I'm
बुरी
not
बात
saying
है,
anything.
but अच्छी बात है बता दो.
So the people, the one thing I look in people when I'm making friends is someone who's ambitious.
Okay.
More like it, not even towards their goals, but ambitious towards something, and something at least. थोड़े जो लोग ज़्यादा ही careless या फिर ज़्यादा ही होते हैं ना वो, I don't think my energy matches with them to the same level as I would consider people who are ambitious.
Yeah.
So that's the one thing I look between friends, especially in college as well. There's a lot of people in college. There's one demographic in college which just comes to college, doesn't take any classes and stuff like that. And those people I tried talking to, and I was friends with them for like a decent amount of time. But then I realized that I was losing myself somewhere in between them. I could be between those 10 people, and I would still like feel that I'm in a room full of strangers.
Yeah.
So the best thing you can do is cut them off.
With some people you just click. That's it. Yeah.
Yeah,
One
some people you
vibe,
just click.
Yeah.
But there's some like categories of people that you click better.
Yeah.
If you just have to like really look into them and how they
I
think.
don't think that's a wrong thing to not be friends with people you don't click. Like you can be nice to them, but you don't necessarily have to be friends with every single person that
I feel like
you.
there's a fine line in acquaintances and
Yeah,
friends.
true.
Friends are something you like share a moment with, or you talk to them daily.
Share a bond with.
Share a bond with, yeah. But acquaintances is like you meet them once a week. You're still not enemies, but like you're not as friends.
हाँ,
Friends.
ठीक है, types per people.
Yeah, ठीक है. You meet them, you talk to them, you get your work done.
हाँ.
You go out sometimes, and that's it.
What is one quality that you want in your friends, or what is something that you look for? जैसे इन भैया ने. तो मेरे तो भैया लगते हैं. आप कितने साल?
20 हो जाऊंगा अभी.
मैं 17 की हूँ, मैं 18 की होंगी अभी. मुझे बड़ा ऐसे बुरा लगता है ऐसे कि मैं किसी को भैया ना बुलाऊं.
Okay, so one quality I would say someone that understands, someone that is like
Okay, yeah.
not like academically or professionally चाहे वो अलग हो, but when it comes to emotions they have to be on the same page as me, वो समझ सके, because I as a person am very emotional and I have a lot of emotions.
You don't want somebody to be unavailable. कि हम चाहते
हाँ मतलब kind of. So जिसमें मैं जाऊँ and I can rant and they understand
Yeah.
me, not just listen but you need to get me as well.
वाइब चेक होगी.
Vibe check होनी चाहिए.
कि उस लड़की ने मेरे साथ बुरा, हाँ उसने बुरा करा.
Correct. तो अगर ऐसे होते हैं like बस ठीक.
True and true, I believe that. I believe if I hate a person, you should hate that person with me.
हाँ,
If I like a person, you should love that. We should be on the same page.
ये क्या बात हुई? ये क्या बात हुई यार? ये क्या बात हुई? मैंने कुछ किया भी नहीं है. ये क्या बात हुई यार? ये अपने आप को जानबूझ के नहीं मुझे नीचे ला रहा है.
I agree. I typically look for people who can make me laugh. क्योंकि ऐसे humor भी तो match होनी चाहिए ना.
हाँ,
Very,
that is
very
important.
correct.
कि मेरे साथ मजे कर सके वो इंसान बस.
Very.
ठीक है. And okay, what type of friend are you? Like if you had to categorize yourself as a particular type of friend, what would it be? This is
Yeah, you go first.
this is who I think I'll go first if you don't know. I truly believe I'm an errands friend. Like I would love to run errands with somebody who is my good friend. कि तुम्हें बाल कटवाने, मैं तुम्हारे साथ सैलून चलूंगी बाल कटवाने के लिए. तुम्हें मार्केट जाना है, तुम्हारी मम्मी ने तुम्हें काम दिया सूट सिलवाने का, मैं चलूंगी साथ. मुझे ये menial टास्क साथ में करने में बड़े मजे आते
I love
हैं,
that.
है ना? Okay, cafes and all are fun. Like, but do you want to go shopping with me to Saroj? Do you want to go to Budh Bazaar with me and buy the
Scooty पे ही चलना
टमाटर? हाँ, the tomato that my मम्मी को कि हाँ ये लेकर आओ. Even though मेरी मम्मी मुझे ऐसे काम नहीं देती, मुझे ट्रस्ट ही नहीं करती.
मैं तो दूसरे के साथ जाती.
मेरे को बड़े मजे आते हैं कि तुम्हारी मम्मी ने तुम्हें कुछ मुझे भी ले चलो यार प्लीज. तुम्हें लहंगा मुझे भी ले चलो प्लीज यार.
Meanwhile,
I just personally can't bring myself to like go with them. Difference in opinions.
I agree that is fine. Some people
I think I personally prefer like helping people in like major things. What do you see? Things which like actually are relevant, and I just like helping people in general. Like I met this person like a month ago, and उसके बाद उनको college applications करनी थी. I was more interested in their application than my applications myself.
ठीक है, this is also small task.
So yeah, I consider myself as a listener or as a friend who's always down to help people. and I just like having fun and you know.
Guys, just for the record, अंजन हमें पीछे से कुछ ना कुछ बाबा जी का ठुड्डू दिखा रहा है, पता नहीं क्या ही कर रहा है वो, क्या? आओ बताओ,
We don't talk about yesterday, honestly.
Cameraman wants to say something.
If I
Not
talk
about me, not
about
about
if I
me.
talk about yesterday, I know who is a listener right now, and this is not it. This is not the listener.
I'm asleep.
कल जो आपने किया था उसके बाद yes, sure, you are the listener.
इसके बाद
For the record, when somebody is friends with Anjan, he sleeps with them on video call. And that is a true and tested problem.
I do.
No, just he's talking to you, he's listening to you, and then he's sleeping.
अरे बाप रे ये तो धोती खोल रहा है
Whatever. I have 2 mics now.
ये थोड़ा सा TMI हो गया. I don't think we needed that personally.
No,
अब
no.
किया.
What kind of a friend am I? I feel like I'm a mix of both of what you all said. कि सब होना चाहिए यार. मतलब from small errands to having a big deep conversation at
Yeah.
3 a.m. I am in for all.
I typically find it very hard to have such conversation with friends. Like ऐसे मतलब I'll have it with that one best friend that I have कि हाँ यार तुझे पता है मेरे साथ इतना बुरा हो गया, ये हो गया, या फिर maybe something controversial that I have to say. Maybe something that अगर लीक हो जाए तो अच्छा ना ही हो, ठीक है. बट ऐसे में 1-2 दोस्तों के साथ कर लूँ, बट इट्स रियली टफ फॉर मी टू ओपन अप ऐसे ज्यादा.
I agree.
ये मुझे बड़ा लगता है क्या फर्क पड़ता है, छोड़ ना. ऐसे ज्यादा एटीट्यूड बाहर निकल जाता है मेरा, स्पेशली पता नहीं क्यों. आई फील लाइक वी शुड वैल्यू फ्रेंडशिप्स मोर. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, it's not that I don't mean that in comparison to relationships, I feel like people give friendships the kick. ठीक है यार, गर्लफ्रेंड से बात कर ली, बॉयफ्रेंड से बात कर ली, दोस्तों से नहीं करते. And that is I feel where you lose some of the connection. I agree.
हाँ, sacrificing and putting one thing over another, I think it's
Balance
not
होना
worth it.
चाहिए.
Balance होना चाहिए.
Have you ever fought very badly with a बहुत से गंदी वाली लड़ाई हुई हो तो उसको
Multiple.
ठीक कैसे करा?
Multiple times. तो boys basically बहुत लड़ते हैं छोटी-छोटी बात पर, अगले दिन ऐसे भाई की तरह मिलते हैं, किसी कोई लड़ाई हुई नहीं
हाँ,
थी.
ये कैसे कर लेते हो तुम लोग?
एक बार क्या हुआ था, I'll tell you this one incident. हमारी 12th की फेयरवेल से पहले हमारा एक दोस्त था, हम 4 लोगों का ग्रुप था, एको चेंबर 4 लोगों का. हम आपस में बात करते, आपस में रहते थे. उनमें से एक लड़के ने फेयरवेल पे आने को मना कर दिया कि मैं फेयरवेल पे नहीं आऊंगा और मेरे को कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. हमने उसको बहुत बोला, बहुत समझाया और लास्ट में उसे बात ही करना बंद कर दी कि तू जा, तूने नहीं आना, तेरे इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि फेयरवेल इज प्रीटी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Farewell is a big deal.
एक ही बार आएगा पूरे स्कूल टाइम
Farewell,
में.
I feel like everything is big. कॉन्टी भी हो रही है तो एक ही बार ही होएगी ना.
हाँ.
टीचर्स डे का डांस कैसे नहीं पार्टिसिपेट? आई एम तो वेरी मच लाइक दैट कि अगर सब करे तो करो ना, क्यों नहीं करना है?
हाँ, वो तो है.
ये तो खाने के साथ भी होता है कि मैं खा रही हूँ तुम भी खाओ ना, क्यों नहीं खा रहे हो?
तो वो फेयरवेल पे नहीं आया एंड देन वो आफ्टर पार्टी पे भी नहीं आया, तो वी ऑल गॉट मैड एट हिम. आई डोंट नो, ही नेवर एक्सप्लेन, ही स्टिल नेवर हैज एक्सप्लेन. और हमने उससे महीना भर बात नहीं करी, वी वर ऑल अगेंस्ट हिम. एंड एक रैंडम दिन ही लाइक लेट्स कॉल हिम. हमने उससे बात करी, नेक्स्ट डे वी कॉल्ड हिम, वी हंग आउट विद हिम, एंड वी आर जस्ट नॉर्मल सिंस देन. वी नेवर टॉक्ड अबाउट
So you
इट.
still don't know.
I never asked him.
You don't you have the burning curiosity? I have कि मेरे को तो ऐसे हर चीज का क्यों,
उसने कहा
but
मन
ये
नहीं,
क्यों,
उसने कहा मन नहीं किया. लाइक ठीक
ये
है.
कैसा वैलिड रीजन है, क्यों नहीं मन कर रहा? इसको पूछा नहीं तुमने कभी?
नहीं, उसने बताया नहीं, हमने पूछा नहीं. एक बार पूछा, 2 बार पूछा, उसका फॉर्मेलिटी गई कि तूने अगर बात करनी है, बैठना है, हाँ बैठना है, बताना है नहीं, चल के बैठ जा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बैठा रहा यहाँ पे.
I've seen this with guys also, like they don't ask the reasons for breakups. कि तुम्हारी बंदी के साथ ब्रेकअप क्यों हुआ? हो
Honestly,
गया, चल
never-
कोई नहीं, चला जा दारू पीछे.
मेरा एक दोस्त की पता नहीं उसकी हर दूसरे साल नई गर्लफ्रेंड होती थी. And he broke up with them. He'll tell me like couple of days after, and I'll be like, great, खाना आ गया. Sponsor अंजन.
आपकी नहीं होती थी?
अंजन स्पॉन्सर कर रहा है इसको. So basically, honestly, I've personally never asked the reason for a breakup because I mean, personally, I couldn't be bothered. Like,
Wouldn't you want your friends to ask you?
नहीं, I'll go tell them myself if I want to tell them.
But why not? ऐसे थोड़ा पूछनी चाहिए होता कि बता ना, अरे बता देना क्या हुआ.
वो तो टी फिशिंग होगी नहीं, you're fishing for
ये
tea.
भी
Just to understand what happened.
wouldn't you want people to ask you? ऐसे होता नहीं कि आपको मनाना चाहिए होता है कि एक बार ही पूछो नहीं मानेंगे, 2 बार पूछो नहीं मानेंगे, तीसरी बार चल ठीक है अब बता देते हो.
कभी कभी होता है, I think, but not
That
usually.
personality I feel like usually comes out with your girlfriends and everything. पूछना मुझसे 4 बार, please पूछना.
Yeah, the closer I get to a person, the lesser I talk to them for some weird reason. Like I maintain very low friendships.
No, you feel more comfortable not communicating with them because I feel like you know क्या ये नहीं जाएगा.
अब मेरा एक दोस्त है जिसे नीट का ड्रॉप वगैरह लिया था, तो आई टॉक टू हिम लाइक एवरी 5 months. जब जाके मिलता हूँ, आई कॉल हिम कि आई एम इन द टाउन और शाम को आ जाइयो. वो सब कुछ छोड़ के आ जाएगा. हम लोग 2-3 घंटा बैठ के बात करेंगे, बंटा पियेंगे, बात करेंगे, कुछ खाएंगे और फिर वी डोंट टॉक फॉर द नेक्स्ट 5 months अगेन. बट जो हमारा बीच का गैप था, दैट डजंट सैक्रिफाइस एनी ऑफ आवर फ्रेंडशिप.
Yeah, you pick up where you left.
you pick up where you left. So I prefer those friendships which are low maintenance personally.
Same. I mean, I don't like texting people.
Same.
I don't like call. I like being on call with my one person 24/7.
Same.
ठीक है, but मैं ऐसी I know a lot of people. I know my dadi only. Or my mom or anybody for that matter, they call up their cousins, they call up their friends randomly when they're sitting and doing nothing. I cannot bring myself to do that.
I don't call anyone. I get called always, but I don't call anyone. And half the time I don't even pick up.
I think मेरे से पर्सन में मिल लो, मेरे से जब तुम पर्सन में मिलोगे
हाँ।
मैं बिल्कुल नॉर्मल होंगी.
वही।
बट ऐसे कॉल पे बैठ के मैं तुमसे क्या रैंडम और बता क्या हाल चाल, मेरे को वो क्वेश्चन आंसर करना
Pointless,
है.
बहुत pointless सभी
हाँ.
होता है कि मुझे पता है तू क्या कर रहा है. I know where you are. So मैं तुझसे पूछ के क्या accomplish कर रहा हूँ.
I wait for them to get to the point. Sometimes they call without point. ठीक है, तो ये कैसे कर लेते? मैं दिमाग में आइडिया कैसे मुझे ऐसे ही कॉल कर रहे हो.
उस टॉपिक को बात करें.
हाँ.
कहते हैं डाउन टू टॉक. मुझे
Yeah.
घंटा बात करो. पर बिना टॉपिक की हाँ बोर हो रहा था. मैं नहीं बोर हो रहा था. You have fun.
I was having my 500 hours of screen time and scrolling
हाँ.
randomly
So I just called you.
and watching Modern Family. Again, why have you disturbed that? कंबल में से लेटी हुई थी मैं.
The most annoying thing is खाना खाते खाते कोई जब YouTube देखते देखते कॉल कर दे. I cannot bear that.
You're a YouTube person.
I am a very big YouTube person.
I love
What's the screen
YouTube.
time? YouTube पे.
I'm very nerdy with YouTube though. I'm not watching random videos.
My screen time for right now it's 3 and it's only 6 hours.
अच्छा, अभी मेरे को अंजन फोर्स कर रहा था कि थोड़ी ग्रोथ और बातें करो कि तुम ऐसे फ्रेंडशिप्स के साथ
की बात करेंगे.
तो वैसे ये तो चटपटे सवाल पूछ लिए मैंने. ओके, आई हैव अ वेरी कंट्रोवर्शियल क्वेश्चन. मे बी दिस शुड बी इन द लव एपिसोड. यू
रेडियो सिटी 91.1 एफएम पर आप सुन रहे हैं अपने लव गुरु को. कोई भी ऐसा सवाल जिस पर आप मुझसे डिस्कशन करना चाहें या फिर कहीं फंसा हुआ महसूस कर रहे हैं तो बात करिए मुझसे.
Do you think it is okay for your friend to date your friend? Like, okay, sorry. Do you think it is okay for your ex-girlfriend or ex-boyfriend to date your friend after you?
No.
Absolutely not. Don't even come near them.
Controversial तो है नहीं, थोड़ा hot topic.
नहीं, क्योंकि मैंने देखा लड़कों में वो बाद में क्या होता है, उनके फ्रेंड ग्रुप में लड़कियां सर्कुलेट हो रही होती हैं.
No.
कौन सी
मैंने भी
लड़की
देखा है.
ऐसे?
But
मेरे से दूर रखो.
हमारे स्कूल में भी थी.
नहीं.
हमारे स्कूल में भी हमारे स्कूल में आया.
सारे दिल्ली के स्कूल से होता है ये.
टिशा बंसल नहीं थी, वो पूरे सुशांत अर्जुन वाले ग्रुप में. बट a lot of people are like, चल ठीक है, मेरे से खत्म हो गया.
नहीं. अरे एक्स तो चल एक्स है, but why would the friend date your ex? That's a bigger problem.
Do you think it is okay for your friend to be
Friends with my ex.
Yeah.
It's actually a very ऐसे dice, it's a बीच का question because I feel like it depends कि अगर I am not friends with any of my friends with ex, but still अगर अब I've seen people जिनके कॉलेज में सिर्फ वही एक दोस्त है जो apparently उनके दोस्त का ex भी है, तो अब मैं कोई क्या बोल सकता
That's a tough situation.
हाँ वही it depends on the situation.
What do you think?
I think it's fine unless they've done something really really bad.
So you're friends with your friends ex.
No, because I don't want to be friends with them, but I don't think it's an issue to be friends with them because उन्होंने कुछ गलत नहीं किया ना. As if like, if you do like something seriously wrong,
I feel like it is very, it is that you have to draw that thin line कि हाँ अब गलत हुआ है और अब गलत नहीं हुआ.
two people can just like naturally fall out of love. ठीक है, and then breaking a friendship because your friends fell out of love. I don't think it's it doesn't make sense. But if किसी की ex ने पर से बहुत गलत किया था,
Cheat
treated
कर
him badly,
किसी
cheat कर दिया, क्या?
Why was it किसी की ex?
ये फंस गया सीएम.
लड़कियां तो
किसी
जरूर
की हुई तो
किसी का ex.
किसी का ex. My bad, I'll be gender neutral.
Yeah.
ठीक है? तो I think if cheat किया हो या फिर they treated them badly or did something bad, then I think you're not breaking the friendship because उसने cheat किया था. You're breaking friendship because of morals जो उन्होंने break करे थे. क्योंकि cheat करना
If
is more
your
of a
friend
moral
cheats,
issue.
would you tell their partner?
Of course.
You would.
I might not instantly. I'll let that thing eat into me first, like एक हफ्ते तक. उसके बाद
I
I'll just
had
go.
that situation happen to me. Two of my friends were dating and one cheated, and I really was like, मेरे को बताना पड़ेगा यार. मेरे
Exactly.
पेट में नहीं टिकेगी
You
बात.
let that thought eat into you for like a month or
So
like
much.
हफ्ते, and then
So
you just have to make a decision.
You do.
And I think the decision is
the
you
right
have to tell
decision is
them.
telling.
You have to tell.
You have to,
क्योंकि
or
just-
you have to guilt your friend into telling कि तू बता वरना मैं
वो तो
तुझसे बात नहीं
second
करूंगी.
option होगी.
आपको क्या लगता है? Agreed.
हाँ fully agreed.
Okay. So एक और बात बताओ कि काफी बार ही होता है कि we have childhood friends or we something. Like you said, you had that friend who moved away. Do you think it is okay or do you think it is valid that people outgrow friends?
Yeah, I feel like अब जैसे that one friend only, we're at different places, we're doing different things. She's not even in India anymore. So we are not friends anymore, but it's not like I have a grudge against her or something. We just outgrew and we are just, we grew apart. And that's okay because at the end of the day, we are two different people. We have our two different goals. So if they don't match, and if at the end of the day you just have to separate, then it's fine.
How do you both plan on having the same friendships after school or college? Because school की बात होता है कि you are in touch with less. College के बाद I feel like you'll be in touch with even lesser people.
Correct. I feel like school mein mine might be an exception, but I just went on a trip with 10 people that I am friends with from school.
Right now.
Right now, just in
Wow.
January. So, mera
Where?
Jibi,
I've been to JB in the tree houses.
a good place. I would say a great place.
Social
but it's a good
retreat is what I would.
हाँ तो मेरा हो सकता है एक्सेप्शन हो बिकॉज आई एम स्टिल फ्रेंड्स विद ऑल ऑफ माई स्कूल फ्रेंड्स तो वो तो चल रहा है बट आई फील लाइक कॉलेज में भी बिकॉज आई जस्ट हैव टू फ्रेंड्स
दो से तो बात
दो
करना
तो चल लेगा
आपके बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं आप कैसे प्लान करते हो टच में रहने
I don't plan
Yeah, नहीं
anything,
plan
वो बस हो जाता है automatically.
भैया नहीं प्लान कर रहे
अगर तुमको किसी से बात करनी है and you like them as a friend, you'll not, even if you're not regularly in touch with them, you still be friends with them.
या
जैसे कि मेरे स्कूल के दोस्त ही हैं, तो कोई चंडीगढ़ है, कोई बैंगलोर है, I talk to them like once a month. और even मेरा भाई है, it's like having a sibling is like the best friendship ever.
it's like a built-in and
हाँ.
best friend की
So
हाँ
we don't talk every day, we talk like once a week.
same my sister lives in my house I talk
तो
to her like 2-3 दिन में एक बार
So you don't plan anything ना उनके साथ. You don't plan anything.
You
You don't plan कि how will I keep the friendship. If the friendship is meant to be kept, it'll automatically just stay together.
Okay.
That's what I feel.
And now that you both are in second year, you have been through the first year induction phase कि हाँ बहुत सारे friends बनेंगे. Possibly you've been through some लड़ाइयाँ in
Possibly.
college.
Possibly.
In college, I have not yet been through that. Possibly you've been through some लड़ाइयाँ and you've maybe solidified your circle a little bit more. Okay, you have kicked some people out, you have brought some new people in. So अभी अगस्त में फिर से लोग आएंगे कॉलेज ठीक है अभी स्कूल एंड होने वाला है और लोगों को नए फ्रेंड्स बनाने पड़ेंगे as you evolve in life you go through your new phases. What is one advice that you would give to people making new how to make new
The moment step in semester 1 may never feel that you're going to be alone and so you have to talk to people because the reason college friendships first semester के बाद नहीं चलती is because people come to a new place, come to a new surrounding or a new area and they feel like they have to make friends. So they talk to everybody that they can without actually realizing that they could be friends with them or not. Like personally जब मैं आया था तो entirely new place, new शहर, I was living alone. So I have this mindset कि मुझे लोगों से बात करनी है, I have to make friends because then I'll be alone.
yeah
So that is something that you not have to fall for.
you
It's a
don't
propaganda.
have to do it out of कि हाँ मुझे दोस्त बनाने
हाँ, it's a
हैं.
propaganda.
You have to want to be friends with them.
The thing is you have to evaluate friendships how you evaluated them in school. तुम college में आके the main pushing factor of friendships is I don't want to be alone.
True.
But you actually have to factor all the things that can I be friends with them for a long time? Are they someone who will pull me down or push me forward type of friends? So I think that is one propaganda that I hope anyone never falls for.
pretty much summed it up.
यहाँ अपनी एडवाइस दो अलग चीज बता.
फ्रेंड्स बनाना might be a difficult task like me. So हाँ वही मतलब basically वही जो don't rush into it, wait and because college में बहुत societies and all भी होता है. You go societies because you go into societies, you meet people that actually are like you.
Yeah.
जिनसे vibe check हो जाती है because similar interests होते हैं. तो friends बन जाते हैं by the end of sem 1 at least. तो डोंट रश इनटू इट वेट एंड बात करो लोगों से बट डोंट जंप इनटू कंक्लूजन्स की अब इससे बात कर ली तो यही मेरा दोस्त है
हाँ
डोंट डू दैट
डोंट रिस्ट्रिक्ट योरसेल्फ.
हाँ और लोगों से बात करो एक्सप्लोर एंड जिससे फिर एट द एंड यू लाइक कि हाँ ही और शी माइट बी अ गुड फ्रेंड देन बिकम फ्रेंड्स.
I feel like one advice that I would give is keep an open mind.
हाँ,
You don't know कि who you don't have to restrict yourself to people who are just like you या फिर you just based on appearance कि हाँ ये तो मेरे को नहीं लगता मेरा friend बन पाएगा.
Definitely.
Because I was that way when I was in my first or the second college that I got through CUET or through other exams. जब मैं पहले colleges test out कर रही थी तो I think one mistake I made in VIPs perhaps was make friends who looked like me or behaved like me या फिर talk like and I feel that made it a very small circle and that made it very हम best हैं मेरे को किसी और से बात नहीं करनी. फिर जब मैं यहाँ पे आई I try to talk to as many people as I could. You have to put your prejudice aside. Everybody has that little कि I am better or people who are like me are perhaps better than others. वो चीज आपको साइड रखनी पड़ती है because how else would I know कि what is going on in other cultures या फिर ये culture का दोस्त भी मेरा friend अच्छा बन सकता है. ये थोड़ा साइड रखना पड़ता है. So when you go to college or if you're just hoping to make new friends, go to the canteen. Genuinely go to the canteen. Go to the canteen. And
Baba Bowie.
the food and find one thing that you love. Hopefully it's fries and Maggi. Bye guys. Bye. Bye everybody. Hope you tune in for the next episode.